I just want to remind you about the commutative property. Do you remember learning the commutative property at some point in your life? Good. What does the commutative property mean when I'm talking about addition? Okay, like, yeah, 1 plus 2 equals 2 plus 1. Does that always work for any number plus another number? It does. How about when I say for multiplication, what do I mean? Okay, 2 times 4 is the same as 4 times 2. And to be commutative means that it works for any number. The question I'm going to ask you now in this problem, and we'll do this together, is this true for matrix multiplication? So in other words, I put a couple matrices up here. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix B is 5, 6, 7, 8. Is A times B the same as B times A? Do I get the same answer? What's the answer? All right, let's see if they're the same. Let's see if they're the same. What's the answer for row 1, column 1? 5 plus 14, so that's 19. Good. What's row 2, column 1? 15 plus 28 is 43. How about row 1, column 2? 6 plus 16 is 22. And row 2, column 2. Good. And that is 50. How about down here? Row 1, column 1. 5 plus 18. That certainly doesn't equal 19. Do I need to go on at this point? I can tell right now, matrix multiplication is not commutative. So, no. How about matrix addition? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, the same as 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, that's just addition, so that one works. But matrix multiplication, the first time in your life that you've seen something that's not commutative, and that's matrices multiplication. Order matters. The order that you multiply them in matters. That's what that means. Yep. Okay. Remember that you do have an individual test. There will certainly not be anything about matrices even close to being on this test. You know it. So I would rather have you spending your time studying for that test. In case you forgot what's on it, you can look at these 2 slides. This homework assignment I won't collect until Friday. So you get lots of time to work on it. That said, there's a lot of problems here. So you should probably do at least half of them between now and Wednesday. And then also, you guys, if you didn't write down that stuff from Friday, make sure you write it down because that's what I'm testing you on Wednesday. Thank you, Enrique.